Hello friends, welcome to this podcast show. I am John, a host of this show. Are you looking for complete gas boiler repair service, hot water boiler maintenance, steam boiler operation, and maintenance services? The experts are experienced in developing and customizing burners for any requirements. Their global market allows O'Brien to guarantee reliability and excellent performance of the Elco product in any application area, even the most critical. All models are fully electronically controlled and they are teamed with the Quality Management Control System. O'Brien Boiler Services Pty Limited is a privately owned company that operates as Australia's largest boiler company. Contact O'Brien Boiler Services Pty Limited. Visit https://o'brien-energy.com.au/ to know more. That is all for today. I will be right back with another topic. Till then, stay tuned.